on that CD game.
Want to tell me what happened?
Nope, it was your mistake, so you tell them.
So, we were supposed to be on a yacht today at 8 a.m.
Mind you, we was out till 3:30 a.m.
We woke up at 6:30, so we only got 3 hours of sleep. That's why we came. Anyways, we only got 3 hours of sleep. Woke up 6:30 a.m. getting ready, getting dressed, for this yacht.
I mean, we was ready. I mean, everybody was on point. Everybody was ready. That's the first time.
This is the only time
Literally.
everybody was ready. So basically, we thought that the name of the boat was Porto. It's the name of a city.
Porto,
basically.
whatever.
The thing that we thought was the name was actually a city.
My head is Mexico. We're here. Porto is here.
It's like all the way.
We was like, how long? How many hours? Like maybe 2 hours.
Yeah,
to
like
take
maybe
a
we
drive?
can just drive there. He said you literally need a plane to go from Cancun to where they are at. But long story short, we had to do a whole nother one. We got another boat tour. It's not a yacht, but it's a nice boat. It's open bar, buffet.
Adults only.
At the end of the day, we got to figure it out. But we just came back to the room to like chill, order room service. I got the omelet and the plantains. My refried beans, they didn't get it. I can get yours, babe. And then we got toast and
Morphine.
yeah. Should have been doing this. It's only $1, and we were paying like $20 for each taxi ride. So it's like
20 there and back.
so. Definitely use the bus. We finally got off the boat. We couldn't really record on the boat because they was playing music. Now we're on the island that the boat took us to.
I think this downtown, I believe.
Caleb is lit. I could not drink. I have really bad motion sickness. And I forgot my freaking medicine. I was sick. I was asleep. I had to try to fall asleep. It was horrible. But now that we're here, I'm finna see if they got some medicine.
Pharmacy.
Yes. Oh look. They get you now. Oh look at the popsicles, babe. Oh look at these. I want to pet him. It's so nice. He bite?
No, he doesn't bite. You want to hold it?
That shit bite.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Oh my goodness.
That's your shit. That's why. It's good, guys. That's your pet.
No, don't. Yeah, it's my pet, but don't have a problem with anybody. Don't bite.
Nah, I just fucking with you.
I got 8 years old.
You finna hold that shit? How much? How much? How much?
Good chip, sir.
Huh?
It's a good chip.
Tip? I don't know about good tip, but tip. Ah!
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's good. One more. Don't take up.
It's a video.
Yes, sir. One more.
I don't want that shit.
On my head.
Does it feel heavy?
Heavy as fuck.
Go ahead. Nah, hell no.
I'm scared.
Cat, dog, all that.
Oh, so cute.
Let me touch it.
Sure.
He need to show y'all.
I did show that.
Oh, the fish. The camera memory card died. But we at this market to get some mango. Yes, it's a
What y'all know about that?
poquito. That's how you say. That's how you say a little bit in Spanish.
Ooh, you put that lime on there. Ooh.
Gracias.
No chili?
Yeah, let me get some.
No?
Yeah, no.
No spicy?
I'm gonna give you an extra dollar. No, for you.
Tip for you.
For you. I know it's not much, but muy bien. That's some good shit. Ooh. They snap. Everybody got one? Get you, everybody that.
Y'all like mango?
Let everybody try one.
I'm trying fruit for the first time.
What?
I'm trying mango for the first time.
What?
Y'all like mangoes?
Try it, T. Try it. Everybody try it.
Wait, I don't want to. You give me that. No, give me.
Finna put them on, y'all.
Yeah. Oh.
Do it, T.
Yup.
Yes, sir. That's some good shit, though. That's fresh out of Onico.
How much was it?
$4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We need a little bit more chili. And some more lime, too. That shit.
Man, what's up, CD Gang? We just got massages in the island that we came to. Look at Caleb's face. He got a mark. He would not wake up. The lady woke me up from the massage and said that Caleb wouldn't wake up. And then he woke
Shit,
up.
done put that death grip on me.
That definitely best massage I ever had.
Yeah, so a fight broke out. The locals didn't want to let us pass because they overbooked. Now we got to figure it out, but we're going to drop a video. We got a video of the fight. It wasn't really a fight, it was just a little scuffle. But we're going to
Now
drop
we're
it.
finally riding the golf cart.
Finally riding.
Punch him, I dare you. Just start punching shit.
Everybody just go.
Oh. White dude started it. White dude pushed him and the Hispanic dude pushed back. And then they started fighting.
Paddle. Y'all boys from Florida, go ahead and grab it. All right, y'all, so we are at the end of the map.
Hold on. I had to go with the real churros from the source.
And I must say, American churros are better. Oh, it's a bathroom, man. You know what to use that?
Yeah, I need this better. I don't know. I kind of like these a little bit better. Like at first, yeah. At first I like the American version better, but the more I keep eating them, I'm like, I don't know.
It has an aftertaste that I really
I forgot to show y'all him like when he was making them.
We sunburnt. We ready to go home, to be honest
I'm
with
ready
you.
to go to sleep. I need to go to
I was
sleep.
talking about doing it in the pool. But yeah, y'all, hopefully we get back to onshore quick.
So yeah.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all
I think we're gonna ship to y'all when we get back to the
when we get back to the hotel. We tired, I'm gonna be
Boy,
honest.
I am so tired.
All right.
Y'all, look at Caleb. Good morning. But I sound like a YouTuber, bro. I'm working on it. No, but good morning, CD gang. We are. He's a hater, but we are going to get massages again. We are obsessed with massages at this point. But we said...
But yeah, I'm just taking advantage of it.
Yeah, I am obsessed with massages. I really am. But we said that we wanted to try the hotel's massage yesterday. They were great. So we wanted to do it again because, you know, who doesn't want a good massage? After that, we don't really have anything planned, do they?
Nah, it's really, we just going with, not going with the wind, but we're moving as a group. So we got to wait for everybody else to get up so we can decide. But we got a few things in mind.
Yeah, and then now we're recording on the phone because we forgot to buy memory cards before we came. So our storage on the camera ran out. I think we might do jet skis, but then there's also this other thing called Explore that looks really, really fun. We don't know. We just don't know. But we do know is that y'all be coming with us and y'all will see whatever we do.
No matter where we go, yo.
Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, this is the massage area. That's the infinity pool. But yeah, this is the massage area right on the beach. You excited, babe?
Very excited.
All right, CD gang, we just got done with our massages. As you can see, that's why I'm so oily. But look at the baby suit. Look, it's getting a body, isn't it? I know. Thank you. We're about to order some food. I'm about to go to the swim up bar.
I used to do a vlog without you.
All right, guys.
Hey, C&D vlog.
Wow. They don't know what that is.
I tell y'all that massage.
That massage is what it was.
I'm obsessed with massages. Okay. Look at her, just too clean. Whew. Y'all, I'm so sad that we're about to go because when I tell you, this has been amazing. But I don't know which vacation I like the most. Mexico just hit different. And another country definitely hits different. It does. Let's do that. I forgot how short I was. Oh my gosh. Good thing they say you can get this phone in water because boy, it was almost a goner. When I tell y'all my muscles though, ooh, it feels so much better. This feels so good. But we're about to order food and drinks, and I'm gonna let y'all know how it is, what we get.
I'm just very hungry. I'm ready to eat. Them mozzarella sticks look good as well.
Gracias.
Yeah, bro, I'm not eating that.
Thank you. Let's see what y'all got. Margarita pizza. Ooh, them nachos look bussin'. What the heck? All right, y'all, we just came out the water. As y'all can see, it is so blue. It's so pretty, and the waves are so big. But now we're about to go get on jet skis. They have jet skis at our hotel, which is very convenient. Hold on, let me see. Right there. So now we're about to switch to the GoPro because obviously I'm not bringing my phone, but I got this thing. So that way, I probably could still bring it and just start recording while it's in this plastic thing. My phone?
I don't want it to fall, though.
Don't have it on my neck.
I know you don't have it on your neck, but it's, I don't know.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, it hurt. These freaking shells? No joke.
Our last customer, he drowned, so he didn't get to pay. So that's why we charged them.
Okay.
Come on,
You told me, I was like, wait a minute.
Come on.
No, you said it too serious.
That was a Mexican joke.
Listen, he think it's a joke. He think life is a game. I pray to God that damn sharks out here. He done got my freaking lace wet. I'm gonna kill him. Put me back on the shore. I don't even want to ride on him.
Alright, y'all. Desire flipped the jet ski over.
No. The first time, what y'all seen, Caleb, I kept telling him, slow down, slow down. Nah, he want to mud it like it's a dirt bike. So we go over the wave, flip all the way over. I mean, like, the whole jet ski was flipped. He flooded it. He literally flooded it. It was water all in the engine. Then the second time, what y'all seen, like from the aerial view, is when I flipped it. But I didn't flip it, we just fell off. Man, I was done with that. Me personally, I didn't like it. I much rather enjoy jet skis in the Keys. If you haven't seen that video,
I much rather
put the link right
do
here.
jet skiing like in Florida, because I mean, y'all
Those
can see
waves,
the waves, and you see the dark part. He was like, if you go out in the dark part, it's better. Man, it's the same waves out there.
For real, those waves was no joke. My lace got wet. Luckily, Janiyah brought glue, so if it start lifting, I can put it back on.
Let me see, it's right.
It ain't gonna look like Honey Styles around here, but it's gonna look like something. I'll make it work.
Y'all, so we got back to the room, and Desire was trying to wash her hair out, and
It's not funny. It's not funny.
what's even more funny is she has a 10.
What happened? Like, the band, it just like...
I guess from the jet ski. That's her fault when to go off fast. And
Man, I'm so happy I'm not bald head. I'm gonna put this right in a puff.
so now she gotta do her
I'm
hair
upset.
before 6 o'clock because we
my
gotta go to
outfit-
dinner. Yeah.
My outfit, I don't know if I'm taking pictures.
She had a nice outfit. Y'all will still see the outfit though.
Yeah, but y'all probably not gonna see it. Y'all not taking no pictures. No. I'm gonna wear it, but stop. Look at.
It's
Oh my gosh, it's really the tan line. It's not funny, babe.
Okay. It's not funny, guys.
I need a hat or something.
You make it clap, clap, clap. Yeah, put these on. I think this will help her for real. Like, just put a little bit more. Boom. We got dinner at 6 o'clock. We set up the tub. Cause we haven't used the tub like at all. So we just ran the bath water. We finna soak in the tub for a little bit. She can't soak in for as long as she wanted to. I will be soaking in for as long as I wanted to. Anyways, we'll see you guys.
Okay, y'all. That's how you go out with a bang. That's how you go out with a bang. I am gone. Caleb is gone. He can't even close out the vlog, so we just had to end it right there. I don't know if I'm gonna put this part in there or not, but basically I entered a twerk contest. I've always wanted to do that, always. My 4 years in Gainesville, every single time they called for a twerk contest, I have always wanted to do it, but I don't like embarrassing myself in public. I never did it in the United States because I was scared I would go viral or something. So I was like, nope, not gonna do it. But in Mexico, I was like, this is my time. This is my time. I didn't win, sadly, but I still enjoyed every moment of it. So that's all that really matters. But tonight was our last night. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. We have to wake up in 4 hours. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna do it because the one thing that I'm not gonna do is get left in Mexico. I'm going to be on that plane tomorrow. Y'all will see Caleb tomorrow. He is out for the count. But I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. See you tomorrow.
Let's jump on the plane, see the world again.